Good morning, children. How are you all? Welcome to our math session. Now, children, as you know, we are doing revisions of the lesson which we have finished earlier. In our previous session, we finished with our multiplication. Today, we will be doing chapter number 6, Coins and Currency, part 1. This coins and currency chapter also teacher has taught you before, correct? So, today we will be doing a revision of coins and currency, part 1, okay? Now, which coins or currency notes will you use to make up the given amount of money? This teacher has taught you earlier, correct? A 10 rupee note. Now, to make a 10 rupee note, you are going to use which coins or use which currency notes to make the 10 rupee note. Let us see which amount you are going to use. Yes, one 5 rupee coin, one more 5 rupee coin. So, two 5 rupee coins will make how much? 10 rupee, correct? That means 5 plus 5 will be 10. So, if we take two 5 rupee coin, it will make a 10 rupee note, okay? Now, one more 10 rupee note. So, how we are going to give the change of this 10 rupee note? Which amount which we are going to use in one 10 rupee note? We can use a 2 5 rupee coin, correct? Now for this 10 rupee note, what we can use, we'll see. One 5 rupee coin, that is 5 rupees. One 1 rupee, that will become 6. One more 1 rupee. One more 1 rupee. One more 1 rupee. And one more 1 rupee. Now let us count and see, children, whether it comes to the total of 10 rupees. Now, 5 plus 1 will be 6, okay? 6 plus this one will be 7. 7 plus 1 will be 8. 8 plus 1 will be 9. And 9 plus 1 will be 10. That means 1 5 rupee coin and 1 5 coins, 1 rupee 5 coins will make total 10 rupees. 1 5 rupee coin and 1 rupee 5 coins will make total 10 rupee. Next, now 20 rupees. How you are going to make 20 rupees? Let us see which amount, which coins or currency you are going to use to make this 20 rupee. Okay, one 10 rupee note, then one more 10 rupee note. So, 10 plus 10 will be how much? 20. That means two 10 rupee note will make 20 rupees. Okay. Now next. Now this 20 rupee, again what change you are going to take or what amount you are going to use to make this 20 rupee? One 10 rupee note, one 5 rupee coin and one more 5 rupee coin. Now let us total and see, children, whether it comes to 20 rupees. Now 10 plus 5, it is how much? 11, 12, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Now to that 15, if we add this 5, then 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Correct? So, one 10 rupee note and two 5 rupees coin will make 20 rupee. Okay? Now 50 rupees. How we are going to make 50 rupees, children? Let us see. One 20 rupee note, one more 10 rupee note, one more 20 rupee note. Let us total and see. Now 20 plus 20 is how much? 20 plus 20. After 20, 30 and 40. So 40 plus this 10 is 50. So 20 plus 20 is 40 and 40 plus 10 is 50. That means our answer is correct. So two 20 rupee note and one 10 rupee note will make 50 rupees. Now the next change for rupees 50 is one 10 rupee note, one more 10 rupee note, one more 10 rupee note, one more 10 rupee note and one more. Now let us count and see, children. 10 plus this 10 is 20. 20 plus 10 will be 30. 30 plus 10 will be 40. And 40 plus 10 will be 50. That means 5 10 rupees note will make rupees 50. 5 10 rupees note will make rupees 50. Now one more 50 rupees. Now what change you are going to give? Let us see. 120 rupee note, 110 rupee note, one more 10 rupee note, and one more 10 rupee note. Now let us count and see, children, whether it comes to 50 rupees. 20 plus this 10 will be 30. 30 plus this 10 will be 40. 40 plus this 10 will be 50. That means 120 rupee note and 3 10 rupees note will make rupees 50. 120 rupees note and 3 10 rupees note will make rupees 50. Now 100 rupees. How we are going to make now? What change we are going to give for 100 rupees? 150 rupees and one more 50 rupees. So let us see, 50 is how much? Now 150 rupees plus one more 50 rupees will be how much, children? 50 plus 50 will be 100. Correct. So 250 rupees note will make rupees 100. Okay. Now one more 100 rupee note. Let us give the change. Okay, 20. Again one more 20. One more 20. One more 20. And one more 20. Now let us count. 20 plus 20 is how much? 40. 40 plus 20 is how much? 60. 60 plus 20 is how much? 80. 80 plus 20 is how much? 100. That means 5. How many notes of 20 are there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 notes of 20. That means 5 notes of rupees 20 will make rupees 100. Okay. Now next. Now again 100 rupee note. For this, children, what you are going to do? Let us see. 150 rupee note. 120 rupee note. One more 20 rupee note. One 10 rupee note. Now let us count and see. 50 plus 20 is how much, children? Count and tell me. Yes, 70. 70 plus this 20 will be how much? 90 rupees. 90 plus this 10? 100. Correct. So 150 rupee note, 120 rupees note, 220 rupees note and 110 rupees note will make rupees 100. 150 rupees note, 220 rupees note and 110 rupees note will make rupees 100. One more 100 rupee. Now let us see how you can give. Okay, 150 rupee note, 110 rupee note, one more 10 rupees, one more 10 rupees, one more 10 rupees and one more 10 rupees. So let us count, children, whether it comes to total 100. Now 50 plus this 10 is how much? 60. 60 plus this 10 is how much? 70. 70 plus this 10? 80. 80 plus this 10? 90. 90 plus 10? 100. So 150 rupees note and 5 10 rupees note will make the total amount 100. 150 rupees note and 5 10 rupees note will be equal to 100 rupees. Now we come to 200 rupees. Now children, tell me what change or what note or currency you are going to use. Okay, 100 rupee note. One more 100 rupee note. Now children, let us count and see. 100 plus 100 is how much? Yes, 200. 100 plus 100 will be 200. So 200 rupees note is equal to 200 rupees. Okay. Now next. Now again 200 rupees. So tell me what change you are going to use. Yes, 100 rupee note. Then 150 rupee note. Correct. Then one more 50 rupee note. Okay, let us count and see now the total, children. Yes, now 100 plus this 50 will be how much? 150. If in that 100 and to that 150, if I add one more 50, what amount I am going to get? Yes, 200. That means 100 rupee note and 250 rupees note will make 200 rupees. Okay. Now 500 rupees. Now give me the change of rupees 500, children. Okay, one 200 rupee note, one more 200 rupee note and 100 rupee note. Let us count and see. 200 plus 200 will be 2 plus 2 is 4. So 200 plus 200 will be 400 and 400 plus this 100 will be 500. Correct. So 200 rupees note and 200 rupees note and 100 rupees note will make rupees 500. 200 rupees note and 100 rupee note will make rupees 500. Now for this 500, which coins and currency you are going to give me? 100 rupee note, one more 100, one more 100, one more 100, one more 100. So children, now let us count and see. 1 plus 1 will be 2. 2 plus 1 will be 3. 3 plus 1 will be 4 and 4 plus 1 will be 5. That means 500 rupees note. Okay children, 100 rupees note will make rupees 500. Okay, 100 rupees note will make total rupees 500. Again one more 500. Let us see. One 200 rupee note, 100 rupee note, one more 100 rupee note and one more 100 rupee note. Let us count. Now 200 plus 100 will be 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 will be 4. 4 plus 1 will be 5. That means 200 rupee note and 300 rupees note will make 500 rupee note. 200 rupees note and 300 rupees note will make rupees 500. One more 500. Let us see now what change you are going to give me for this 500. One 200 rupee note, one more 200 rupee note, 150 rupee note and one more 50 rupee note. Let us count and see children. 200 plus 200, that is 2 plus 2 will be 4. So 400. 400 plus this 50. 450. 450 plus 50. 500. Correct. That means 200 rupees note and 50 rupees note will make together 500 rupees. Okay. Now next. Now 2000 rupee note. For this what change you are going to give children? One 500 rupee note, one 500 rupee note, one 500 rupee note and one more 500 rupee note. Now let us count and see children. 5 plus 5 will be 10. That is 500 plus 500 will be 1000. 1000 plus 500 will be 1500. And 1500 plus this 500 will be 2000. So 4 500 rupees note will make 2000 rupees. So 4 500 rupees note will make rupees 2000. Okay children? So with this we finish our today's session of coins and currency notes part 1. Okay children, keep practicing and keep learning. All these sums, all these questions you are going to copy in your rough notebook. Okay, see you in the next session with a new topic. Till then, bye. See you soon.